Vidya. I am from TECA 54 batch. I have completed my BTech in Jyotishmati Institute of Technology and Science in the branch of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. I doesn't know coding before I have joined this JSpiders. With my friend's reference, I have joined in this JSpiders. After joining in this JSpiders, we used to have in the first month of this training, we used to have only one class only. They have given and for every class the 2 hours will be given. 2 hours will be spent on each and every class. While that time they have took only one class to get adapted to the environment. After that we used to have n number of classes depending upon the subject. We used to have Java was divided into 4 parts: programming 1, programming 2, core Java and Java library. And we will have in web technology we have to learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript and SQL as a backend language. And from the I have learned here the teachers are very awesome. I doesn't know coding anymore. Before I have joined this in this JSpiders, they have taught me from the basics and I found excellent teachers like Mahendra sir, Sunil sir, Darshan sir and Yashwant sir here, who used to explain the topic very deeply, and they also used to give assignment for us to get excelled in the topic. By if we listen the class with very attention, and after that if we practice that assignment questions, we will be in a position to solve that topic in which we will be in a position to solve that question. If the question comes to that particular topic, we will be able to solve it in any way also. I have practiced every day, and I also practiced some questions from the Geeks for Geeks, HackerRank, etc. And I used to learn every day, and I used to revise the things on that. And we used to have the placement activity after completion of core Java. In this by the performance of this placement activity only, you will be eligible for the interviews. In these interviews, if you clear the placement activity, there will be a placement study session. In this study session, the faculty will give some topics. On that topics we have to prepare in depth. And next day the faculty will ask the questions about that topic, and we have to prepare in depth about that single topic. And if the interviewer asks that question, we will be in a position to answer that question. So I can say that this placement activity session has helped me more, so that I can speak very confidently before the interviewer. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself.